Have you ever felt like you've been spending way too much time on social media? Well, I definitely know your feeling, because I just realized that actually on Instagram and on YouTube, you can actually see how much time per day and per week you've been spending on the platform. If you go to the upper right hand corner on Instagram, you can click on your activity and you can see how much you've been spending time on the platform. For me, I had been spending an average of 1 hour and 45 minutes per day, and I felt like, damn, I could be using that for other things, like such as spending time with my daughter, or working on something else, emailing someone or messaging someone that I hadn't talked to in a long time. Being on social media is a good thing if you use it in the right way. So I've limited myself to 1 hour per day on the platform. That way I can make better usage of my time.